Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello, voice audible? Hello, yeah, voice audible? Hello, voice audible? Again, she is left. Yesterday also left, today also left. I think from a student side, mobile using, na, that's why. Not using for desktop. Okay, no problem. So yesterday only introduction completed. Okay. So today start getting back to how to start application of AutoCAD. So here, this is for logo, capital A. The application of AutoCAD. How to start, double click to run application. Capital A logo, AutoCAD application, versions 2024, company name Autodesk. So after launch this application, here by default, welcome screen visible in front of monitor screen. Clear up here? So according to the version, how it is going to look like. Versions of AutoCAD. If you are using below 21 version, below 21 version, welcome screen different. To start drawing, select start drawing below 21. Above 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. To start new drawing, select new. Here by default, metric template, ISO standard, International Standardization of Organization. These are metric templates. Some project consider millimeter, some project consider meter, some project consider decimeter, kilometer. Hello? Yeah, voice audible? Yeah, good evening. Voice audible? Okay, why yesterday not connect AutoCAD class? Hello? Yeah, why not connect yesterday? Why not connect yesterday AutoCAD class? Hello? Hello? You are using a smartphone. If you are using laptop, why is not cutting? Okay. Yeah, laptop connect చేయండి. Not connect in mobile, laptop connect చేయండి. Wait a minute. Student connect. You connecting laptop? Hello? Yeah, hello, laptop you connect now? Okay, connect Google Meet in laptop. Okay, clear up to here. To start new drawing, here select for new. Yeah, this is a graphical user interface, na? Theory will discuss. This is a graphical user interface, na? First, start the application. How to start application of AutoCAD? We start new drawing. Here select for new. So now this is for main component of GUI. GUI main component. Graphical user interface. Top left corner application menu. This application menu are called as file management. How to manage file. Opposite to application menu, customize quick access toolbar. Clear up here. Top center title bar. Name of the title drawing 1. Drawing format .dwg. Search bar. Sign in. App Store. Windows. Ribbon. This is called as ribbon. Ribbon generally organized tab and panel. Tab and panel. Home tab, solid tab, surface, mesh, visualize, parametric, insert, annotate, view, manage, output, add-ins, collaborate, express tool, feature app. Here minimize panel button, minimize panel title, minimize tab, and restore ribbon. So these are panel, and these are drawing file tab, right? If you want to change workspace, current workspace 3D modeling. Here combination of 3D command. Here is a workspace. Provide a choice of workspace to make correct. 3 kind of workspace: drafting and annotation, 3D basic, 3D modeling. For drafting and annotation, create a model of 2D with the help of 2D command and features, and set detailing, information text, measurement, dimension, a schedule table. Clear up to here. Organize drawing object using layer management, block management, property management, group management, dynamic selection, dynamic measurement, dynamic calculation under utilities. Clear up to here. Clipboard and view. Drawing file type. Minus symbol, viewport list. Center, view control, world coordinate system view. 6 orthographic view and 4 world coordinate system view. Clear up to here. Visual style, to change appearance of solid object. Different kind of appearance. Clear up to here. And here is the home button. 2-dimensional view. Change into 3-dimensional view. Click on home button. Opposite to home button, navigation cube. Navigation bar. Grid line. Command line. XY plane. Status bar. Status customize. Model. Layout tab. So these all features under after select new. Clear up here? Understand totally? Right. I will show you 1 minute. Yeah, clear up to here. Understand totally. AutoCAD online session, main component of GUI. First one, application menu, standard toolbar, workspace setting, quick access toolbar, share drawing, title bar, search bar. So this is for menu bar, right? This is for ribbon, sign in, app store, main window, user interface window, clear up here. This is for panel, start, drawing file tab, 23 list, viewport control, 22 drawing area, 20 list, XY plane, 21 model tab, layout tab, clear up here. 15 home button, 16 navigation cube, 17 navigation bar, clear up here. Command line, and here this is for status bar customize. Concept clear. So this is for main interface of AutoCAD. Concept clear. Yeah. So what are the main components? Welcome screen, application menu, this toolbar, workspace setting, share and title bar, search bar and sign in, app store and window, menu bar and ribbon, drawing file tab. Copy in the notebook. Main component of GUI. Completed up here. Okay. Look at here. Welcome screen. Appear when AutoCAD start. Provide option to create a new drawing. Open existing drawing and access recent file. Application menu at the top left corner. AutoCAD logo. Right now, Ardhamendana. I already provided, right? Example, new, open, save, undo, redo, print. Use for new, open, save as, print, export, close. Clear up here. This application menu are called as file management. Pop in the notebook. Welcome screen first. Copy application menu also. Clear up here. Over. Quick access toolbar located at the top of the screen. Provide quick access to frequently used commands. Title bar and search bar. For title bar, display drawing name, AutoCAD version, current file name. Search bar used to quickly search AutoCAD command, help, topic, and settings. Clear up here? 1 minute. Sign in. Allow user to sign in with their Autodesk account. Used for cloud storage, licensing, and synchronization. Clear up here? Understand totally? Right. Completed? Over now? Okay, right. Window control and ribbon. Located at the upper right corner. Minimize, maximize, restore, and close. Ribbon. The ribbon contain all commands. Tool organized into tab and panel. Common ribbon tab. Home, insert, annotate, parametric. View, manage, output, express tool. Each tab contains panel. For example, home tab include draw, modify, annotation, layer, block, properties, group, utilities, and clipboard. Clear up here? Drawing area, the main workspace where drawing are created and edited. Display the grid, UCS icon, and all drawing objects. View control, example top, front, left, right, southwest isometric, southeast isometric, etc. Viewport control, used to switch between 2D view and 3D view. Navigation cube, a 3D navigation tool, used to rotate and change the model view. Clear up here? Navigation bar, contain navigation tool such as a zoom, pan, orbit, steering wheel. Visual style, control the appearance of 3D model. Example, 2D wireframe, hidden, realistic, conceptual, shaded. Model tab and layout tab. What is the model tab? used to create drawing at full scale. Layout tab used to prepare drawing for printing. Paper. Clear up here? Drawing file tab. Display all open drawing files, making it easy to switch between them. Display grid. Show a grid of reference point to help with drawing alignment. Shortcut key function F7. Command line window, the most important part of AutoCAD. Display command prompt, accept keyboard value. Clear up here? Shortcut, hide and show command line, Ctrl+9. UCS icon, user coordinate system, to show all three axes that indicate the position of coordinates. Clear? Intersection of three axes are called as origin point. X value 0, Y value 0, Z value 0. The status bar located at the bottom of the AutoCAD window contain different drawing adds such as snap mode, grid mode, ortho mode, polar tracking mode, object snap mode, object snap tracking mode, dynamic input mode, line weight, annotation scale, workspace switching. So this feature under status bar. Clear up here? Status bar customization. Allow you to choose which status bar tool are visible. Graphics configuration used to configure graphic performance and hardware acceleration for a smoother display. So this is for GUI layout of AutoCAD. On the first one, application menu, quick access toolbar, title bar, search bar. In the second one, ribbon, home, insert, annotate view. Drawing, graphics area, model space, view cube, navigation bar, command line, model, layout 1, layout 2, status bar. This simplified arrangement. Clear up here? Advantages of AutoCAD GUI. Easy to learn and uses faster access to command, improve productivity, user-friendly interface, support both mouse and keyboard input, easy navigation in 2D and 3D. Clear up here? If any tool accidentally deleted, how to appear, right? Sometimes AutoCAD tools such as the ribbon, menu bar, command line, toolbar, status bar, navigation bar, or view cube may disappear accidentally. How to restore? Following command and shortcut. If you want to restore, whatever the missing file, whatever the accidentally deleted file, easily back it. Getting back. Clear up here? AutoCAD getting back to. Clear up here? So what is GUI? See here. Graphical user interface of AutoCAD is a visual interface that provides tool, menu, icon, and workspace to create, edit, and manage engineering drawing efficiently and interact with AutoCAD through menu, ribbon, toolbar, icon, button, the command line. Instead of typing every command and also drawing area, it provides quick access to drafting, editing, annotation, and view tool, making the design process more faster, more accurate, and user friendly. Clear up here? Understand totally? Getting back to Next session, getting back tool. For first command, ribbon. How to close the ribbon, right? Second option, ribbon close, enter. How to show the ribbon? First option, ribbon, enter. Menu bar. How to close menu bar? First option, menu bar, enter. Value off, 0. Second option, menu bar, enter. Value 1, on. Command line, control plus 9, plus enter. Status off. Control plus 9, status on. Status bar, enter. Value set 1, on. If value set 0, off. Clear up here? Understand totally? Navigation bar, nav bar, enter. Visibility on. Visibility off. Nav bar. Clear up here? File tab. For show, file tab, enter. For close, file tab, close. Off status. Clear up here? Clear screen. Control plus 0, off. Control plus 0, on. Viewport control, VP control, value set here off. Visibility turn on. Visibility show on. VP control. Grid line to turn off visibility. Function F7 on. Function F7 on. UCS icon to turn off visibility. UCS icon, enter. OFF, enter. UCS icon, enter. On, enter. Clear up here? So let's say here how to elaborate graphical user interface, right? So first open AutoCAD. Double click to run the setup. Capital A, logo, AutoCAD application, version 24, company name Autocad. So after launch, by default, welcome screen highlighted. So according to the version, how it is going to look like. Below 22, welcome screen different. Above 22, 20 versions, 22 versions, 23, 24, 25, 26. To start new drawing, here select for new. In AutoCAD 21, AutoCAD 2020. To start new drawing, select start drawing. But here select only for new. Select new. After select new, main interface open. So this is for cursor, right? Mouse cursor, right? Now place the cursor nearest to this icon. Top left corner. Application. This application are called as file management. How to manage file? To start new drawing, select new. Select format DWG. To start new drawing, select format drawing sheet. Clear up here? To open existing drawing, drawing format DWG. Open AutoCAD drawing in mobile or web, easily open. Open existing drawing sheet. Open microstation file DGN and sample file. If you want to download and install, go to sample file. Install sample file, online sample file. Clear up here? Save. If need any changes for the existing drawing, you can use save. Control plus S. In same location, but object get modified. Can't be renamed, right? Rename not possible. For save. For save as, to save new project, different file folder with different name, with different format. Clear up here? In same format, same location, how to save existing drawing? Control plus S. So next here save as. Clear up to here? Control plus Alt plus S. Save as. Save new project with different format, DWG format, mobile and web format, drawing template format, drawing a standard format, data exchange format, DGN format, drawing a standard format. Clear up here? What is the import? Import is nothing but receiving file. PDF file easily import in AutoCAD. Macro station file also easily import in AutoCAD. DGN is a macro station software format. DGN. Other format, machine language, STL format, DXF format, go to other format. Import is receiving. Export, sending. AutoCAD file send into different file format. PDF format, DGN format, DWF format, and other format. Clear? To set properties of 2D printer and 3D printer. These are properties. Clear up here? For 2D printer, plot, batch plot, plot preview, view plot and publish detail, page setup. Manage plotter. For 3D, 3D printing. Format here support STL file. Clear up here? Publish. How to send soft copy, 2D copy and 3D model. For 2D copy, you can use transmit, email, archive. Clear up here? For printing of 3D part, first you have to convert the drawing image format. Then you can get 3D print. Clear up here? Utilities. To manage properties of drawing, drawing compare, drawing unit, audit, to check the status of system and configuration, to delete unused object, log definition and layer. If you want to recover damaged file, easily recover it. This feature under for application menu. Workspace, 3 types. Drafting annotation, 3D basic, 3D modeling. Name of the title drawing1.dwg. Clear up here. These are windows. If you want to get minimize window, minimize window, window key plus M, minimize. If you want to get maximize and jump to next window, ALT plus tab, ALT plus tab. I will explain, don't worry, right? Let's say here, window shortcut, Win plus E, my PC. Win plus R, run command. Clear up here. Window key plus M, minimize window. Maximize and jump to next window. LT plus tab, LT plus tab. Clear up here. new file, new drawing, Control plus N. Open existing drawing, existing file, Control plus O, opening. Clear up here. Save. Save existing drawing, Control plus S. Save as for new project. Control plus Shift plus S. Clear up here. Right. Cut a drawing. Control plus X. Clear up here. 10th one. Paste drawing. Control plus V. Undo. Control plus Z. Redo. Control plus Y. Clear up here. Understand everyone? Okay. Cycle through. Control plus tab. Control plus tab. Close window. LT plus F4. Close window. LT plus F4. Refresh window. F5. Clear up here. Window plus E. This window key. Window key plus E. This PC. If you want to close this one, LT plus F4. LT plus F4 for closing. Clear up here. Understand? LT plus F4. Window plus R. Run command. Control plus S. Save. Clear up here. Control Shift S. Save as. Control Shift Z. Control Shift S. Save as. Clear up to here? Window M, minimize. Alt plus tab, maximize. Control plus tab, cycle through, right? See here. Control key, tab key. Control hold, tab hold. TAB tab. Both keywords simultaneously press, right? Clear up to here? Understand totally? Concept clear? Right. If you want to minimize ribbon, minimize, here click changing. One click, minimize to panel button. One click, minimize to panel button. Minimize to panel title. So next minimize to full ribbon. One click, panel button. Second click, minimize to panel title. Third click, show full ribbon. Clear up here. Both clear ribbon and drawing file tab simultaneously. Control plus 0. All ribbon and drawing file simultaneously hide. Control 0, show. So here three section divided. Minus symbol, viewport, configuration list, 2D and 3D view purpose using for this view. Clear up here? Center, orthographic face and world coordinate system face. 6 orthographic, top, bottom, left, right, front, back. 4 isometric, southwest isometric, southeast, northeast, northwest. Clear up here? To change appearance of solid object here, this appearance of solid object. Here is the home button, navigation cube, navigation bar, XY plane. Here is the command line, here is the model, layout 1. Status bar customize, drawing unit. Workspace switching, clear up here. To close, drawing file tab. Here is the drawing 1 here, right? Drawing number 2, clear up here. Closing of file tab, close, enter. There is no file tab. To show the file tab, enter. To show the file tab, clear up here. Right now. To hide VP control, viewport control, VP control, enter. VP control, enter. To hide viewport control, option here keyword OFF, enter. Concept clear? Space bar on, enter. They are showing here, right? Grid line, function F7. Clear up here. Function F7, clear now? If you want to search any command, go to the search, type line command. Here check different theory. What is the line? Create a series of contiguous line segments. Each segment is a line object that can be edited separately. Product documentation, clear up here. To prepare a perpendicular line from a 3D point to the XY plane, process enter to end the command. Product documentation, clear? Understand totally? At the command prompt, enter UCS, enter object and select the existing line. Clear up here? Showing a specify a point relative to an existing point. Dimension input is available for the arc, circle, ellipse line and polyline command. They getting help. Right up here. File tab for closing here. See file tab close. Closing of file tab. Clear up here. Space bar file tab. Clear up here. File tab. 1 minute. File tab. Clear up here. Completed this one. VP control. Value here OWF, right? Value here on enter, right? Switch to 3D view. Click on home button. Home button. Clear up here. Select top view. Here is the top view select, right? Auto close navigation cube, right? Type a command here. Navigation cube. Navigation cube. Turn off OWF. Enter. Concept clear? Navigation bar. Clear up here. OWF. Enter. Here is the height total. Space bar. Visibility option here for on. Clear up here. Understand totally. This selection method here, right? Crossing selection method green color. Window selection method blue color. Here is a command line. How to close control plus 9. Press enter. How to show control plus 9. To activate layout tab. Style mode enter. Value here set 0 enter. So here manufacturing of drawing for the tile mode. Value 0. Layout activate. So here blueprint of drawing here developed, right? Here for 2D structure and here is for 2D view. Concept clear? Right, totally completed now. Okay. So next tile mode enter. Value set 1 enter. Concept clear? Model space here visible. Right, totally. If you want to hide XY plane, right? You see a icon enter. OWF enter. There is no XY plane. Space bar repeat on enter. Clear up here. To show the navigation cube, nav cube enter. Value on enter. Clear? Navigation bar. Nav bar enter. Value OWF enter. Clear? On ON enter. Right, totally. Concept clear? And here is a status bar. Status bar enter value for status bar, right? Clear concept? 1 means visible, 0 means invisible. Space bar, 1 enter. Okay, concept clear? Graphics performance, graphic config, graphic config, enter. Write down, graphics config. Graphics config, enter. Which driver version you are adding here? See, video card, NVIDIA GeForce GT 730. Virtual device, IP address 23.21.13.9135. Virtual device direct. Clear up here? Hardware acceleration on advanced mode detail. Clear up here? Understand totally? Understand totally? Clear concept, each and everything? So today is enough. Cycle through C. Cycle through control. To randomly access this tool. Clear up here? Completed this one totally. So this is for getting back tool. We'll discuss tomorrow. Graphical user interface, first part complete. I upload in free time. Okay, right. अर्धा घंटा